Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Frosting by Feroze. So today we will be making a boxy charm cake, and this is just us covering our chocolate cake with black buttercream, and we like to make our black buttercream using Chell Sweet's recipe. So it's literally just a chocolate buttercream with black cocoa and gel food color. So that's just me applying all that frosting on top of my cake and making the mistake of using a small spatula to do this. And there you go. I switched over to a bigger offset spatula just because it was so much more easier to get that smooth sweep across the top. And there you have it, the buttercream on top. And then I proceeded to apply buttercream to the sides and just perfected that using the bench scraper to get those nice smooth sides. Had to go over it a couple of times to fill some parts in, just like you can see that gap over there. So filled it in, smoothed it out, filled it in, smoothed it out until it looked perfect. Then I had an edible image printed of Boxy charm, so I just stuck that on top in the middle. I had these hearts, these fondant hearts that I made, and then I was making lines, so I knew where to pipe the, the lines basically of the box itself. And then just a few fondant decorations to top it off. There's that lipstick and a nail polish that I made out of fondant a few minutes earlier. And there you go. That's the final product. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.